Hi guys, this is Adobe. Welcome back to my channel. Get ready with me to go on a date. We are going to be doing a simple makeup today. If you do not know how to do a simple makeup, I'm going to be doing a step-by-step simple makeup for you. Basically, we may actually do with little foundation. So I'm going to start with carving my brows. My brows are not carved, so I'm going to start with my brows. So I'll be carving my brows with this. I'll be carving my brows with this. So guys, I'm done carving my brows here. I'm going to go in. I'm going to clean my skin and prep it for my makeup. So I'm starting with a cleanser. So after cleansing with this, because my skin is sensitive, I'm going to go in with micellar water. So this is the micellar water. I'll be taking a little micellar water. So guys, let's move on to the next level. So guys, we are going to start with priming the skin. I'm putting primer on my T-zones. Those places I'm putting primer on those places I do sweat a lot. After putting my primer, I'm going in with this setting spray to set my face. And I'm going to allow it to dry. So now I'm going in with this concealer. I started with my under eye. This is going to be a no foundation look. It's just going to be only the concealer. Let's blend it in. You have to blend it very well. I'm going to be contouring with this. Let's blend the contour. So we are going to be going in with this powder. I'm going to go in with setting powder. I'm going to use the setting powder to set my brows. Alright, let's draw my brows. So this is it. I would have said let's conceal it, but I think this is okay. I'm going to leave the brows like this. So I'm just going to set this contour on my brow. I'm not doing my eyeshadow today. Just applying brown powder there. And this is it. Just a little bit. Just to pop my face. And that's it. So guys, I'm going to be brushing out. And I'm going to spray my face with setting spray. So after this, I'm going to be doing my lip combo. Let's choose a lipstick. Let's do the lip combo. Let's go in with this one. I think I like this lipstick. We are going to go with it. So let me leave it matte for now till I'm done. Okay guys, this is it. So I'm going to let's go in with my eyeliner. Let's do my liner. Let's line the eyes. So this is it. What do you think? So guys, let's apply some shiny. Guys, let's apply some glitters. So guys, this is what I'm going to be wearing. This is the dress I'm going to be wearing. Let's wear it. So guys, this is the dress. Okay, let's... So this is the final look. What do you think? This is just simple makeup that you can use to wear. So guys, I'm done.